good day. My name is Jemima Pate F. Ramiro, your licensed financial advisor from PruLife UK. So for today's video guys, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba natin gagamitin ng tama ang ating Pulse application dito kay PruLife UK. So since naka-iOS tayo guys, pupunta tayo sa ating App Store, or sa Android naman is Play Store. So isa-search natin dyan yung Pulse. Then right after natin ma-search, may lalabas dyan na We Do Pulse. And then since meron naman akong Pulse, i-open ko na lang siya. So ayan, habang loading siya, ganito yung lalabas guys. May lalabas na sign in or sign up. So para sa mga wala pang account ng Pulse, gagawa tayo dun sa sign up. And kapag pinindot nyo yung sign up, may choices dyan na lalabas na Gmail or yung Facebook nyo. So pwedeng Gmail or Facebook nyo gagamitin nyo para mag-sign up. Then after nyo mag-sign up, ito yung mangyayari. Ito yung lalabas kapag nakapag-sign up na kayo. So once na ma-open na siya, ito yung lalabas. And then right after that, kapag lumabas na, i-click natin yung tatlong lines na nasa ibaba, which is yung may red, yung nasa lower right side. Then click natin yung Pro Shopee sa taas. After natin maklik yan, maglo-loading yan at ito naman yung lalabas. And once na lumabas na yan, i-scroll lang natin siya pataas. And ayan, makikita natin yung mga nakalagay. So once na nag-scroll up tayo, may makikita tayo dyan Pro PA Standard, Pro Wellness, Pro Shield, Pro Dengue Medcare, Pro Dengue Medcare Pro, and Pro Life Your Term. So ayan, kapag na-download nyo siya guys, pwede kayong mamili dyan. Pero first of all, ang ipapakita ko muna sa inyo is yung Pro PA Standard. So ayan, pagka-clinic niya, may lalabas na please select any of this. And ayan, mamimili kayo kung ano yung suit or yung pasok sa trabaho nyo, or kung ano kayo ngayon, ano yung current nyo position ngayon. So may lalabas ulit dyan na please select any of this. Then pipindot kayo kung private or under kayo ng government. Syempre kapag government, ibig sabihin under kayo ng government. If hindi, private ang pipindutin natin. So right after nun, ito yung lalabas natin para makita natin yung mga ano. Kiklik natin yung view more packages. And sa basic package 1, ayan, nagkakahalaga siya ng 104.30 centavos. So ayan guys, pwede kayo mamili dyan and pwede nyo siyang i-explore since maraming benefits din na nakalagay dyan, mga basic package na yan. Ayan, makikita nyo naman sa video kung how much yung magagastos nyo in 1 year. Good for 1 year na yan guys. Yung mga nakikita nyong amount is good for 1 year. Walang daily, walang weekly, walang monthly na huhulugan. So kung ano yung nakikita nyo dyan, 1 year na yan. Good for 1 year na yan. Kaya guys, I suggest, if hindi nyo kaya mag-monthly payment, kumuha na lang kayo ng family protection, which is itong pinapakita ko sa inyo. And then, once na makapili na kayo, ito yung lalabas. Tapos, ayan, i-fill up nyo lang yung mga form na yan, yung mga details na kailangan. Yung first name, middle name, last name, gender, date of birth, nationality. And then, yung sunod is yung mga place of birth, address, city, province, country code, mobile number, email, and occupation. So, dapat tama yung email address natin, tsaka yung cellphone number natin. Tapos, dito sa referral code, ito ang ilalagay nyo, yung 70131665. And then, after nyo ma-fill up lahat dyan, i-check nyo yung I have read, understood, and agreed, then proceed. So, after nyo maklik yung proceed, lalabas dyan yung tungkol sa payment. So, you will have two choices there. It's either bank transfer or GCash. So, once na nakapili ka na, for example, GCash, magpo-proceed na yun sa GCash payment. Then, may next process naman doon na lalabas. So, magaguide na kayo doon kung ano yung mga dapat nyong pindutin para ma-process na natin yung payment. So, as I said a while ago, dapat tama yung inyong email dahil may i-email sa inyo si PruLife. So, yung email is manggagaling isa sa Prudential and isa sa 2C2P. So, after nyo mag-payment, mag-proceed sa payment, ito yung lalabas na transaction receipt. So, ito yung marireceive nyo bago yung mga emails. And now, I would like to congratulate you because you are already insured with PruLife UK. Again, my name is Jemima Pate F. Ramiro, your licensed financial advisor from PruLife UK. So, I will show you my proof that I am a trusted licensed financial advisor. And here it is. And now, here's the 8 clients that I already insured. First is the IT professional. Second is the telephone operator or OFW. The third is a student or businessman. 4 is a real estate agent. 5th is a businesswoman. 6 is a student, 7 is a professional teacher, and for the number 8 is a 4 years old baby. Kaya ikaw, ano pa ba ang hinihintay mo? Be protected and be insured investor now.